If you want to get to 10k followers pretty soon, first, let me tell you that Instagram uses machine learning system to know the behaviors of its users. So the content that you create should be very consumer centric and focused instead of going all the direction. Select a particular niche, for example, let's just say sports or else fashion, and make content revolving around that topic. Secondly, if you want to get to 10k followers pretty soon, post at least twice a day or more. Because what all social platform wants is for you to spend maximum amount of time interacting with the platform as well as the user in it. So post at least twice a day or more. Thirdly, let's just talk about the long video features in Instagram or IGTV. If your video is longer than 1 minute, it will be automatically uploaded in Instagram TV or IGTV. And that's what you ultimately want, right? Longer the duration of the video, longer the interaction time with your audience. And that's how the Instagram algorithm works, right? The more time your niche audience spends viewing your video, saving your video, sharing or even commenting down on your video, the more likely you will be reaching to your magic number. One more thing which is very crucial in IGTV is the first 15 seconds of the video. This is where you grab all your attention of your viewer, and after the 15 second span gets over, this is what pops up. That's right, to view it in IGTV. So if your audience is not hooked within that first crucial 15 seconds, they are more likely to scroll away from your post. A cherry on top feature about IGTV is you can actually add a workable link in your description of IGTV videos. That's right, the link does work when you place it in the description of the IGTV. That's all for now. Till then, stay safe people, and don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and leave a creative comment down below.